So welcome back to this guy's garage. Today we're going to change on a battery in my sister's car. We made sure it was good and dead, so we boosted it on it 7 or 10 times, tested all the electrical components in the car, make sure they're in tip-top shape. So come along, we'll get that battery changed out, see what other mischief we can get ourselves into.
This guy's garage. Like and subscribe.
Thought I was going to need somebody to rescue me. Anyways. It's good on ice. After getting a boost 3 or 6 times, you might want to park it where you can get a boost. I don't think I got the tires to make this happen. Amazing. Let's see what we got. It's a Corolla. I wonder if I get lucky. Start. I should need a boost. It's important to note when you have a really bad battery, you want to use a good set of jumper cables like these. You know, ones that are going to give you all the amps you need to get this thing started. Alright. Red on red, black on black. Let that get some juices flowing so we don't burn up all the electrodes. I don't know, for some reason, every time I think about changing a battery, that Pep Boys commercial comes to mind with the square peg in the round hole.
I was wondering, how's my car coming?
I have 3 of my best guys on it right now.
I don't know. Alright, we got the battery cables on. We're going to give her the old community college try. Yeah, mule! Yeah! Important driving tip when you're in the snow. Make sure you're going fast enough. Whoa! Since there's only 3 or 4 videos on this topic on the internet, I may as well add some noise to the conversation. I need to accomplish this task. 10 mil. 10 mil. 10 mil. Let's see what I got. Great. Where's the other battery? I'm not too good to use a ratchet. So you want to make sure this battery is good and dead before you replace it. You know, it could only burn out a $300 starter. Arsing around with it. So here's what we're putting in. It's a 550 Excite Sprinter. Get out of here. Alright. I chose this battery. Well, I didn't choose it. It chose me. It's the only one they had. All right, let's get it in. Job done. Case closed. Oh yeah. Now would be a great time to hit that subscribe button, because this channel is 100% watchable. Did I say subscribe? I'm gonna need this back.
This Guy's Garage. Like and subscribe.